dear students, myself Miss Vaishali Dekate. Welcome to my channel. I am teaching you subject mathematics in standard 8. Today we are going to study our chapter number 12, equations in one variable, in which we are going to solve practice set 12.1 question number 1. But before that, subscribe my channel by pressing subscribe at right side. Press the bell icon also to get my recent videos. Chapter number 12, equations in one variable. Children, we have been studying this equation in one variable since our lower standard, since our previous standard. So in previous standard we have studied equation in one variable. Let us recall these few important points, in which the first point is very important as we have to solve the question number 1 from practice set 12.1. So what is this first point? The value of variable which satisfies the given equation is called the solution of the equation. If we have given the value of variable and this value of variable satisfies the given equation, then that value is called the solution of equation. We all know in equation there are two sides, left hand side and right hand side. So let us see how this first point is useful in solving question number 1 of practice set 12.1. So let us solve question number 1 from practice set 12.1. Each equation is followed by values of variable. That means we have given some equations and in front of those equations the value of the variable from the equations are given. So we have to decide whether these values are the solutions of that equations or not. So these values are solution or not, we have to decide. So let us see. For that we have to solve the sum, and just now we have seen that the value of variable which satisfies the given equation is called the solution of that equation. So from these three values, whichever value satisfies the equation, that value will be the solution of that equation. In this equation we have given the three values of x, that means of variable. X is -1, 7 and -7. From these three values we have to decide which value is the solution of equation. That means whichever value satisfies this equation will be the solution of that equation. Now see children, we all know that in equation there are two sides, always there are two sides. In between there is equal to sign. Then there is left hand side of equation, there is right hand side of equation. Two sides are there, left hand side and right hand side. In this particular equation, x minus 4 equal to 3. This is the equation given to us. X minus 4 is the left hand side and 3 is the right hand side of equation. Correct? This x minus 4 is our left hand side of the equation and 3 is the right hand side of the equation. For left hand side we use this short form LHS, that means left hand side. And for right hand side we use short form RHS, that means right hand side. So in this way we use these two shortcuts for left hand side and right hand side. Now when we observe this particular equation, what we can see on the left hand side, there is variable x minus 4. X is the variable. But on right hand side there is no variable, that means the direct value, direct answer of right hand side is given to us. So right hand side 3 is there, left hand side variable is there. So what we do, we solve the variable side. Always solve the variable side. If on both the sides variable are there, then we have to solve both the sides. But if only one side variable is there, we will be solving that side only. So let us write left hand side of the equation. Left hand side. What is the left hand side of equation? X minus 4. So left hand side is written. Now what we have to do, we have to put this value, we have to substitute these values of x one by one, and we will find out the answer, whether the answer is equal to right hand side or not, because these two sides are always equal in the equation. So equation means equal, we all know that. So let us put the values one by one. First we will write x is equal to minus 1. So I am going to write for the second step here. Here in the bracket I am going to write put, or substitute also you can write, x is equal to minus 1. That means what? In place of x we are going to write minus 1 and then we will calculate it. So in place of x I am going to write minus 1. Minus 4 as it is, write down. Now this calculation we can do. Minus 1 minus 4. What is minus 1 minus 4? Minus 1 minus 4 is minus 5. And our right hand side is minus 3. That means this is not equal to 3. Minus 5 is not equal to 3. And that means what? Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. This is a symbol of not equal to. When you cancel or cut the equal to sign, that is called not equal to. It is not equal to. So as we have put x is equal to minus 1, we got the answer minus 5. But what is the answer given to us? Answer given to us is 3. So minus 5 is not equal to 3 means what? Our left hand side is not coming equal to right hand side. That means what? This x is equal to minus 1 is not the solution. Is not the solution of given equation. Why? Because it is not satisfying our equation, because left hand side is not equal to right hand side. So as it is not satisfying the equation, it is not the solution of our equation. Now let us check for second value of x. Again we will be writing the left hand side of our equation. LHS is x minus 4. Now what we are going to do? We will be writing in place of x 7. So put x is equal to 7. I am going to write in the bracket put x is equal to 7. Okay. So in place of x I am going to write 7 now, minus 4 as it is. Now this calculation we can do 7 minus 4. This operation can be done because both are constant numbers. So 7 minus 4 answer is 3. And our right hand side is also 3. So it is equal to 3. That means it is equal to right hand side. So left hand side is equal to right hand side, and that's why therefore x is equal to 7 is the solution of our equation. Is the solution of given equation. Okay. So when we put 7 in place of x, our equation is satisfying, and that's why this is the solution of our equation. In this way, first we have substituted the value for x minus 1. Second, we have substituted value for x is 7. So for first, x is equal to minus 1 is not the solution of our equation. X is equal to 7 is the solution of our equation. Now let us check for x is equal to minus 7. This is the second we have solved for x is equal to 7. Now let us solve for x is equal to minus 7. So again we are going to write left hand side of our equation is x minus 4. Now what we are going to do? We will put x is equal to minus 7 in the equation. Now put x is equal to minus 7. In place of x we are going to write minus 7, and this is minus 4 as it is. Minus 7 minus 4 we get minus 11. Correct now? Sign of bigger number and minus minus we have to do addition. We have to do plus, minus minus plus. So minus 11 is not equal to the right hand side of our equation. It is not equal to 3, and that's why the left hand side is not equal to the right hand side, and therefore x is equal to minus 7 is not the solution of our equation. Is not the solution of given equation. So in this way we have to find out whether the given values of variable are the solution of equation or not. by substituting the value in place of variable, and then we can calculate and find out the answer. Now let us see the second sum from this question. 9m is equal to 81 and m values, variable values are 3, 9, 3. Variable in this equation is m. Left hand side is 9m and right hand side is 81. So right hand side is constant number. We don't require to solve the right hand side. Our answer from left hand side should be equal to right hand side when we solve it. So let us solve now. We have got the left hand side solution. We will start our solution. For the first value of m, left hand side of this equation is 9m. What is 9m? 9m means 9 multiplied by m. 9m is always 9 multiplied by m. Now we will put m is equal to 3 in our equation. So I am writing here, put m is equal to 3. So in place of m we are going to write 3. Write 9 as it is, and in place of m I am going to write 3. So 9 3s are 27 we are getting. That means it is not equal to 81, and that is why left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and therefore m is equal to 3 is not the solution of given equation. In this way we are going to check for the remaining two values also. Now let us check for the second value. Again we are going to write left hand side is equal to 9m, and 9m means 9 multiplied by m. Now we will put the value for m is equal to 9. Put m is equal to 9. Second value is 9. Put m is equal to 9. We are going to put now in place this 9 as it is, right, and in place of m we are going to write 9. So 9 9s are, we will be getting 81, and 81 is the right hand side of our equation. So it is equal to right hand side. Left hand side is equal to right hand side. We are getting the correct answer. So therefore m is equal to 9 is the solution of equation. So in this way we have got the solution of our given equation. So this m is equal to 9 is the solution of given equation. Let us check for -3 whether we are getting it is solution or not. So for third value, left hand side is equal to 9m. That means 9 multiplied by m. Now we are going to put m is equal to -3. So where there is m we will be writing -3. In place of m we will be writing -3. 9 as it is, write down. In place of m I am going to put -3. As it is -3 we have to put inside the bracket. Now 9 3s are 27, but minus sign is there, so we have to put the minus sign. Minus sign is there to one number, so we have to put minus sign because plus minus sign should be minus. And 9 3s are 27. So it is not equal to 81. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and therefore m is equal to -3 is not the solution of given equation. So in this way we have to find out for all three values of variable, and we can find out the solution of equation. Now let us solve the third sum from this equation. This third equation is left hand side is 2a plus 4 and right hand side is 0. Equations left hand side is 2a plus 4 and right hand side is 0. Three values of variable a are given 2, -2 and 1. We have to find out which one is the solution from these three values. So let us check one by one. First we will be writing left hand side of this equation. We will put the value. Left hand side of equation is equal to 2a plus 4. Okay, so our left hand side is 2a plus 4. 2a means 2 multiplied by a. Always keep this in mind. Now we will be substituting first value of a. Put a is equal to 2. I am writing here put a is equal to 2. So in place of a, we are going to write 2. This 2 as it is we have to write. In place of a, we have to write 2. So it should be multiplied by 2. You should not write 22. That will be wrong. 2 multiplied by a is there. That means 2 multiplied by 2. And this plus 4 as it is, write down plus 4 as it is we have written. Now solve this sum. 2 multiplied by 2. 2 2s are 4 plus this 4. 4 plus 4 is 8. Our right hand side is 0. So it is not equal to 0. 8 is not equal to 0. And that means what? Left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And that means what? Therefore, a is equal to 2 is not the solution of given equation. It is not the solution of given equation. Now let us find out for the second value. Again we will be writing left hand side of our equation. Left hand side is equal to 2a plus 4. Now I am going to put a is equal to minus 3. In place of a we write minus 2. Put a is equal to minus 2. Now this 2 as it is I have written multiply by a. In place of a we have to put minus 2. And this plus 4 write as it is. Now 2 into minus 2, what will be answer? Minus 4. Because plus minus sign should be minus, and 2 2s are 4. And this plus 4. What is plus 4 minus 4 minus 4 plus 4 plus minus minus. And 4 minus 4, answer will be 0. And this is the right hand side of our equation. And therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side. And therefore this second value a is equal to minus 2 is the solution of given equation. Now let us check for this third value of a. Again we will be writing for third value. Left hand side is equal to 2a plus 4. Now we are going to put a is equal to 1. 2 multiplied by a is 1. You can put in bracket also. Instead of writing this multiplication sign, you can put inside the bracket also. Now 2 multiplied by 1 plus 4. So what is the answer? 2 ones are 2 plus 4. Answer is 6. And this is not equal to 0. That means left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and therefore a is equal to 1 is not the solution of given equation. So in this way we keep on solving the sum and finding out the value of variable which should be the solution of equation. Now let us solve the last sum from this question. 3y minus 4 is the left hand side. 3 minus y is the left hand side and 4 is the right hand side. Three values for y are given as minus 1, 1 and 2. So let us start for first value. 3 minus y is the left hand side of our equation. 3 minus y. First we will put y is equal to minus 1. So put y is equal to minus 1. So 3 as it is we are going to write, minus sign as it is we are going to write. In place of y we are going to write minus 1. In place of y write minus 1. So this minus sign as it is we have written. In place of y we have written minus 1. So minus minus becomes plus. 3 plus 1, answer is 4. So this is our right hand side of equation. So therefore left hand side is equal to right hand side, and therefore y is equal to minus 1 is the solution of given equation. So in this way first value only we have got the solution of given equation. Now you can find out for second value also. Left hand side is 3 minus y. Now we have to put y is equal to 1. So 3 minus, in place of y we are going to write this 1. So 3 minus 1 is 2, we all know that, which is not equal to 4. 2 is not equal to 4, and therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side, and therefore y is equal to 1 is not the solution of given equation. In this way we can find out for third value also. Now left hand side is again 3 minus y. Now we will put the value of y as 2. Y is equal to 2. 3 as it is right, minus sign as it is right. In place of y we put 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. We all know that, which is not equal to 4. And therefore left hand side is not equal to right hand side. And therefore y is equal to 2 is also not the solution of given equation. In this way we can complete question number 1 of practice set 12.1.
Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe.